What's going on, everybody? Rob here, aka Trev2323. Today is the day. Bum, bum, bum. The pineapple. We're gonna get to taste the pineapple today. It seems like it's about ripe. I know it's a tiny pineapple. Now, I will tell you that I did not grow that from scratch. When I bought it from the store, it already had part of a pineapple on it. But the main reason why I bought it, it was on clearance. Do you remember how much you paid for this at all? It was like maybe $5 or $4 that I got it on clearance, and I didn't buy it for the pineapple on top. I bought it because it already has two shoots. So I had no idea that they got the stick holding the pineapple. I had no idea this pineapple species, this one right here, is actual bromelaid. And bromeliads are so easy to take care of. I got some in the basement. What I learned about bromeliads is when you water them in directly in the cup, is where you water them directly in the cup right here. Not the cup, the vase, the cup, but the cup of where the leaves are coming out in the plant, okay? And then when they sprout, they'll sprout one. So this will give me one pineapple. And then after it gives the one pineapple, bromeliads sprout their babies after that. So this main one won't give another bromelaid on the flower. It'll give babies on the side, and the rest of its life, as it starts to dwindle away, all it does is try to give you more babies, okay? So from the pineapple top, you could try to make a baby out of this also. That's another thing that we're gonna do right here. So let me try to get this pineapple off of here. Look at how adorable. Look at how adorable. All right, I gotta do a short real fast, and then we'll come back to taste this pineapple. All right, there I do. I had to do it short. That is so adorable. Okay, so this is the rest of the plant. So this is what I held the bromelaid up with. I'm not gonna yank this out. I'll probably just take the ones that are dying off of it with some scissors. Everything that's normally dying, I just normally cut off with scissors. Okay, and then this one has 3 babies on the side. Look at this, this is awesome. There's baby number 1, baby number 2, baby number 3 on the side that one plant gave us. And then also, you see how they're dying off on the side? So we're gonna try to make a baby out of this one also. So normally you see people cut off the tops. You could actually just twist off the top. See? Here's the pineapple. We're gonna taste this in a bit. But now with this right here, you just start peeling these off. These little ones that are dying, you start peeling them off. Okay. My only thing I'm wondering if I'm gonna put it in tap water or if I'm gonna put it in what's kind of purified water. But that's what you plant right there. That's supposed to give us roots when we put it in some. Well, you know, I see other people dip them in aloe vera, and then from the aloe vera they put directly in dirt. Man, that poked me really good. But I'm gonna go ahead right now and put this in. I'm gonna cut this bottle, and then I'm gonna put this in this purified water right here. So I got a knife right here. This is purified water. Bear with me here. Okay, I'll be back. I'm gonna cut this. Okay, and Bob's your uncle. I just cut the top of the thing off, and I got the bromelaid under the water right here. So I'm gonna leave this like this till I start getting some roots. Now you could do this with cabbage and cauliflower. When you cut the bottoms off, you just put the bottoms in water and they'll regrow. You could do it with even celery. With your celery, you could just cut leave enough on the bottom, just a little bit, and then you can regrow it. So we're gonna try to regrow this, but put it in sunlight and leave it in there. And just make sure you monitor the roots. If you catch it getting cloudy and mushy in there, just clean the water out. Just clean the water, don't let it get too mushy. This right here, I'm not gonna rip this out. I'm gonna leave this in here. I'm gonna clean the whole plant up, all the dead stuff I'm gonna cut off with some scissors. But I'm not gonna take the babies out because it recommends you don't take the babies out till they're about 1 foot long. Okay, so I'm not gonna separate this yet. There's 3 babies with the main plant. The main plant will not give you any more pineapples. It's the babies that'll give you the one pineapple, and then they'll die off and start giving you babies also, okay? So then we got the pineapple itself right here. See, so let me wash this off, and then I'll be right back. Now, I'm not gonna be like these TV guys that say, oh, that's so good, yum, oh man, you should eat at this restaurant. If it tastes nasty, I'm gonna tell you it tastes nasty. This is a little thing, I'm thinking it's gonna be sour. I'm on a keto diet, so I shouldn't be eating this, but I'm not gonna let it go to waste. Here you go. This is mine. Tastes like a pineapple. A little bit sour. A little bit sour. Well, it's a little bit sour, but tastes just like a pineapple. But even on my keto diet, this would be okay to eat right here because this little thing, there's not much. A little more. That's not sugar for me. And it is a little bit sour, I will tell you that. What? Guess what? It's food. And I didn't know a pineapple was a bromelaid. And I didn't know it would be that easy to grow. So, if you stumble upon a pineapple bromelaid, especially one that's on clearance with 3 babies coming out of it for like $4, pick it up. It's an edible food. Talk to you later. Subscribe, like, and share. Oh, stay tuned. We'll see if we can propagate this baby.